Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Jannelle, all things curly and then some. So today we are going to use and review the Rizos Curls System Trio. Yeah. So really quick before we get in, if you have not already subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go slam that subscribe button, hit that bell while you're at it. I do not want you to miss a thing. All right, let's jump into Rizos Curls. We have the hydrating shampoo, the deep conditioner, and the Rizos Curls Curl Defining Cream. So first and foremost, I do want to throw out there, I purchased this system. So this is not sponsored, this is me spending my coins to share with you. So I just jumped on their website. I don't recall exactly what I paid at the time, but I bought the entire system. And I do believe that the prices that they have now are pretty accurate to what I paid. So typically the Trio system is $61.97. That's for the hydrating shampoo, the deep conditioner, and the curl defining cream. Each bottle is 10 fluid ounces. You can also purchase the products individually. I'm gonna read off the website. So the curl defining cream is typically $21.99 for the 10-ounce bottle. The hydrating shampoo is typically $19.99 for the 10-ounce bottle, and the deep conditioner is typically $19.99 for the 10-ounce bottle. And keep in mind, very often they have sales going on their site, especially if you buy the Trio. For example, right now, the Rizos Curl System is on sale for $45 for all three. Pretty good savings. So really quick before we head to the shower, I just want to give you some backstory now that I've also given you prices on the products. I first purchased this back in November or December of 2017. And the first time I used it, I really didn't understand how to use it, and my hair was still fighting to come back health-wise, so it just was not panning out for me. I have since reused it a couple of times and maybe feel a little bit differently. So keep watching. I'm gonna walk you through how I used it, and then I'm gonna spill the beans about how I feel. See you in the shower. This mop is so ready for some love. Look how long it's getting though. So first up is the Rizos Curls Hydrating Shampoo. I'm gonna go right in at the root. You really do not need to get shampoo on your ends, so focusing on your scalp is perfect. As you can see, even fighting against hard water, this cleanser lathers up so well. And that is very important to me. It smells delicious. One of the things that I absolutely love about this shampoo is that it is so gentle that even without attempting to detangle my hair, it is so moisturizing that it loosens up my hair, that by the time I'm rinsing, a lot of the knots and tangles I have just get rid of themselves. Here's my ball out. Following up with the Rizos Curls Deep Conditioner. I love how thick and creamy this conditioner is. Like thick gooiness, thick gooey goodness. We're gonna start at our mid-lengths and then we'll work our way up. So as most of you know, I like to go in with one final swipe of conditioner to push everything back together. So just with that. Now I'm going to smooth my hair back together, and I'm not going to rake through my curls at any point moving forward. Now we're finished applying the deep conditioner. I'm gonna allow it to set for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse out as usual. Remember, when I am rinsing my hair, I do not rake through my hair at all, and at any point moving forward in my wash day. I've gone over that a few times with you all, so if you're Most of you should be familiar. If you're not, I'm going to put a link to my full wash day tutorial in the description. Go take a look at that. And I break down every single step of my application process on wash day. I'll check in with you when my hair is about 50% dry and we're ready to apply styling products. See you soon. And I'm back. So 50% of the way dry. The only thing I have done as I have been air drying after getting out of the shower is just flipping my hair back and forth. Not a lot, here and there, just to make sure that I give each side a chance for volume. So let's go ahead and add our stylers. I'm going to be using the Rizos Curls Curl Defining Cream. So with the Curl Defining Cream, it is extremely thick, very, very thick and creamy. So what I'm going to do, this might even be a little much, I'm going to smooth it over the canopy and then scrunch. So I'm going to swipe. Okay, watch. So one swipe over the back, pulling the ends, flip back over. I still have a ton of product on my hand. Smooth over the canopy, pulling at the ends. It should be more than enough. Let's scrunch. Because this is my only styler, I'm gonna go back in with that a little bit more of the defining cream, and I'm going to lift my root away from my scalp to help with volume. Okay, so now I'm gonna air dry for probably 10 to 15 minutes more, and then I'm going to diffuse until I'm 100% dry. I will check back in then. And we're back. And we are dry. Yay! So I air dried until about 80% of the way dry. Then I diffused 100%. Once I was done diffusing, I went in and I added root clips just to allow my hair to set, left them in for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then removed them. And this is finished product, minus fluffing. So I'm pretty excited. Quite a bit of shrinkage, which is actually really good for me. It means that my bottom layer is curling, so there's definitely good definition, and already a ton of volume. So I'm gonna give this a 360 because I'm pretty excited. Hi, Chloe. Yay! Okay, so now all that's left, I'm gonna fluff. I'm gonna start with my fingertips, and then I'm gonna go in with my scalp massager. So, and I'm just fluffing at the root, taking my fingertips in, shake out, in, shake out. Just helping loosen up the curl clumps a bit so that there's more volume. Yeah! Look at that shine. Okay, one more twist. So did you guess that you are already seeing the fabulous results? If you did not guess already, obviously I am absolutely obsessed with these results. The curl defining cream is the only styler that is in my hair. My hair is voluminous, it is defined, it is shiny, and I think it feels amazing. So all in all, I definitely think this trio was worth every penny spent. And I'll buy it again. So there you have it, Rizos Curl System success. Thank you all so much for joining me again today. I am so glad to have you. If it was your first time here, yay! If you have not already, go slam that subscribe button, hit that bell while you're at it. I don't want you to miss a thing, and I will see you all next time. Bye.